Hey everyone. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. I'm Leroy Baynum. My friends call me Lee. I've been a computer geek for pretty much my entire life. When I was 7 years old, I was given my first computer, a Timex Sinclair 1000, and that was it. Yeah, I was hooked. By the time I was 10, I was running my own 3-phone BBS, if you know what that is, bulletin board system. And by the time I was 15, I was working in a computer repair tech shop at a flea market of fixing Commodore 64s, if you believe it, and learning how stuff worked from the inside out, right? From the chips, from the circuit boards, all the way out. Since then, I spent my life around computers, hardware, software, data centers, cloud platforms, and all the strange little problems that come around with trying to make technology actually do what it's supposed to do. These days, I work for a consulting company. I based around Azure, GitHub, Kubernetes, and so many other cloud technologies. And now even AI adoption. So I'm versed. I've pretty much done everything you can do. Everything from help desk to running wire to building data centers. And now I consult and help people do the same thing, just in the cloud technologies. But I digress. This channel is going to be a little different from the polished, buttoned up side of tech. This is where I get to experiment. This is where I have a little fun. I've got my hands on a RTX 5090 video card. I've also got my hands on an NVIDIA DGX Spark. If you know what these are, they're the top of the line consumer AI self-hosted tools out there right now. I really want to do is see what these things can really do. So we'll be testing the AI tools, we'll be running local models, we're generating images, we'll be generating videos, trying new workflows, setting up hardware, breaking stuff, fixing stuff, and learning as we go. That last part is the important part, learning as we go. I'm not here to act like I know everything. I don't want this channel to feel like a lecture from the top of the mountain keyboard, you know. I want it to feel more like hanging out in the workshop while we poke at new technologies and see what happens. You know, AI can be scary, confusing, overhyped, but it also can be creative. It could be useful. It could be weird. It could be powerful. And honestly, it's a lot of fun. My goal to make this feel more approachable by showing the process. It's not just the perfect finished result, but how I got there, all the mess ups, all the installing, uninstalling, reinstalling, trying to fix problems as I go along, and you'll be right there with me. Most of the videos here will focus on AI tools, and the hardware that runs them, but I'll probably wander into other tech topics too. If it's interesting, useful, strange, or fun to mess with, it might end up on this channel. So if you're curious about AI, learning right along with me, or just want to watch somebody put expensive hardware through questionable experiments, stick around. Subscribe, follow along, let's build it, break it, and figure it out. Welcome to my channel.